Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about, is the stock market crashing in 2025? And if it is, why and what should you do? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading in the market, check out our school. It's awesome. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've used over the past 7 years of trading. So check it out down below. We have an amazing holiday sale going on, so you guys can get 51% off, which is the largest sale, one of the largest sales we've ever done. So check it out, code XMISS24 to get 51% off. So check it out. And guys, let's just jump into this. So as of late today, we saw the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, we saw Tesla, Amazon, all of these massive corporations just get absolutely obliterated, right? Tesla selling off 6%, Amazon selling off 4%. So why? Well, late this evening, we had the Federal Reserve come out and they give you information, just about the general economy. And actually, a lot of it was really, really good, saying, I don't see an issue with inflation and, all that stuff, which as investors, we kind of like to see it. But then they also said this, which I understand why investors and people and hedge funds and analysts could be a little worried. Before the announcement, we were expecting 4 rate cuts next year, so everybody was excited, during this time, because rate cuts incentivizes growth. Okay. Because when you have a lower interest rate, lower rates, people are more likely to buy cars, refinance their mortgage, and it just helps fuel the economy. Now we're down to 2. From 4, we're down to 2. Now, some analysts think that, what we've seen is if we have any at all, that's going to be a surprise. So some are predicting 1, if not any. So this is why we're getting fear. We're having fear in the market right now. So what does this mean for you, right? Because you're an investor. You're worried, you're nervous, you're like myself. What should you do? Nothing. What are you going to do? Beat yourself up about it every day? No, you can't control it. So what can you do? How can you make money from it? There's 2 ways. Okay, there's 2 ways you can make money off it. One is you can short the market. Okay, shorting always carries risk because, you're betting for the stock market and just the general economy to fail. That's what you're betting on. Now, another issue with shorting is if you short a stock at, if you buy a stock at $1, the worst that can happen is the stock goes to 0 and you're out $1, right? You lose $1. Now you short a stock at $1 and the stock goes to $5. $10. Now you're out $9 on $1 short. So, that's the main issue with shorting. Okay. I wouldn't recommend this. I would recommend this though. I would recommend just continue to invest. History shows that if you actually buy during recessions, you jump from getting a 10% return to over a 22% return, which is awesome. So if you just stay the course, you double what you normally will put in, and just continue to invest. Looking back over the past 90 years, we've always gotten a return in the market, right? So you just got to stay the course and just have time to your advantage. And I think that's the best mindset and the best approach you should do for everybody. Another thing that I would recommend doing, is to obviously dollar cost average, but pick out stocks that are blue chip, well established, have good cash flows, good cash reserves. Invest into those. Companies with strong holdings of cash during a recession perform well because they can continue to innovate. They continue to pay their employees. They continue to have cash to grow the business. And, so I always look at that as like a key indicator to determine growth for stocks. And I think it's a good one. But, should you be nervous? No, you shouldn't. I prefer sell off. It brings opportunity. So, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the course and, like, subscribe. And that's what's going on, right? It's nothing to be nervous about. At the end of the day, markets go up and down. This is just a point where we could see a little downtrend for a little bit, or tomorrow we could wake up handy dandy and all good. So, no one can predict the future, no matter how good you are at investing or trading or anything, but we just can look at history, and history tends to repeat itself. So, hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.